cute in a dress, she cute in some jeans. She ain't a member, she is the team. When I'm on the go, she know where I be. She is my rock, she is my queen, she is my rock. Bust at the up.
Such a pretty day today. It's a barbecue, so I'm going to Walmart and I'll show you guys everything that I get. So I'm leaving Walmart. I got some steak here. I got the steak seasoning down there, but I'm not gonna eat steak. I'm gonna eat chicken, but I'll show you guys once I get home. So I'm back home. We got these ribeye steaks, and I'm not gonna eat steak because I'm trying to cut back on steaks. I'm just gonna eat chicken. This chicken right here, and then we have chives and cheese for the baked potatoes, and then a sweet potato for my husband, and then my daughter's friend is here, so that's why it's 5 potatoes. And then this is the grill seasoning that we use. Focus. It's Grill Mates. It's really, really good. And then we use this on the steaks. And this butter for the potatoes. But yeah, so, and then we have to get the foil. Get the foil for the baked potatoes and sweet potatoes. I'm actually going to put them in the oven, and then I'll show you guys like how the steaks are seasoned. And then, because we use more than just this on the steaks, but this is the main seasoning we use. And then I'll show you guys what I use to season the chicken. So yeah, so all I did was take some canola oil and put it around the potatoes. That makes it cook quicker, and then I just put it in foil. So now I'm about to put these in the oven on 450 for about an hour and a half, and that's it. This is Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce, and this just goes on the steaks first before you put the seasoning on it. It's optional. You can use it if you want. You don't have to. And then
one side with this, you won't be too hot.
Here's the chicken in a big bowl, and then here's the seasonings: garlic powder, black pepper, lemon pepper, chili powder, the steak seasoning. Yes, I like the steak seasoning on the chicken. It just gives it a really good flavor. Crushed red peppers, onion powder, and seasoned salt. Now, you don't have to use all these, but I'm just showing you how we do it. So
if I were you, I'd take precaution.
So I'm about to make green beans. So this is what I use at the frozen section. Just great value, nothing special. Fine green beans. And then I use coconut oil instead of butter. And then I use garlic, salt, black pepper, onion powder. Of course, y'all know I love onion, and I'm going to use the whole onion. Minced garlic, Worcestershire or Worcestershire sauce, however y'all say it. A little bit of this light brown sugar, just to give it kind of a spicy, sweet type of taste. And then I use turkey bacon, because you guys know me and my husband, we don't eat pork. And I'm going to put some red pepper flakes in it as well. So this is everything that I use. Already added the coconut oil, the onions, the minced garlic, the black pepper, the crushed red pepper flakes, the onion powder, and the garlic salt, I believe, the Worcestershire sauce, and also the bacon, because I want everything to have the flavor of the meat and also the onions. I'm just going to let the onions saute a little bit more, and then I'm going to let the meat cook. I'm going to flip it a couple of times, and then I'm also going to chop it up once it's done. And then once these are really good and sauteed, then I'll just add the beans, and that's pretty much it. And then at the end, all I'm going to do is add a little bit of brown sugar on top, and that's pretty much it. The beans are done. Takes maybe about 10 minutes tops. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I just added in a little piece of butter, and I added in the brown sugar, and this is how it looks. And maybe about 5 more minutes, it'll be done. So let me try to see. Can I show you guys what it looks like? Then it has like juice at the bottom. You guys can see that. So yeah, this is really, really, really good, you guys. I'm sure, you know, you can use this option if you want to make your string beans like this. But this way has Really, really, really good flavors in it. It's a little spicy from the red pepper flakes and the black pepper, and it's also kind of sweet with the brown sugar, and it's also kind of tangy with the Worcestershire sauce in it. But yeah, it's really, really good, you guys. So I do recommend you guys check this out. And of course, the minced garlic just gives it a whole nother flavor. So about 5 more minutes and it's done. So the meat is on the grill. You know, we always put an onion back there. And then that's the chicken. So here's the finished meals. The ribeye, he like his well done. String beans, and then the sweet potato has honey, brown sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon with a little pinch of salt in it. And then this is mine. I got the barbecue grilled chicken. Well, I didn't put barbecue sauce on it because I didn't want barbecue sauce, but just barbecue grilled chicken. Why I keep saying barbecue? Grilled chicken. Then I have the baked potato. It has butter underneath, cheese and chives, and the string beans. So hope you guys enjoy this cooking with me video. Real quick, real easy meals to do. If you guys want more cooking videos with your girl, leave it down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Always remember to follow me on all my social media, Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat get first dibs on everything. Snapchat saw this meal first, so shout out to all my Snapchat fam. I love you guys so much, and until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say.
Gorgeous as you are.